Hi, I'm dear friends. This is Roblox Studio. And let's see today how to create some short messages to appear in the screen in the game by scripting. Okay, let's create a script. Go to server script service and add script. We'll remove this print hello world and create the short text. They could be messages or hints. Let's see how to create both of them. So let's say in some time, so wait, for example, 6 seconds, okay, and then the message has to appear. So we're creating the local message and it will be instance new message. Okay, you see, you're writing everything correctly because Roblox like giving you a hint what to write. So message dot parent is workspace and the text will be something like it's so beautiful. And in some time, so wait for 6 seconds, for example, again the message will disappear. So message destroy. Okay, let's see now. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, and message disappeared. Okay, let's go again to scripting, to our script. There is another type of messages, it's a hint. So let's do everything the same, but instead of message, we'll write hint. And let's see. Hint. I'm changing everywhere message to hint. And the hint, let be careful. Something like this. Okay. Hint. Okay, let's see now. See? Like in 6 seconds, we got a hint. Okay, that's it. Thank you. Bye.